Welcome, everyone, to an exciting journey of creativity and inspiration. With the magic of an IT projector, you can unleash your imagination and bring forth breathtaking home decor masterpieces, perfect for adorning your own space, gifting to loved ones, or even selling at markets. The best part? It's easy, budget-friendly, and incredibly fast, not to mention loads of fun. Imagine a canvas that bursts with vibrant, powerful colors, adorned with captivating patterns in the background. Layer upon layer, I build my creation, adding depth and dimension to my artwork. And how do I achieve such precision? Well, that's where the marvelous IT projector comes into play. It assists me in flawlessly sketching my designs, ensuring that every detail is just right. Once the sketch is complete, the real magic begins as I bring the artwork to life with a symphony of colors. With each stroke of the brush, I paint her into existence, capturing her beauty and essence on the canvas. And here's where the fun truly comes alive, introducing playful splatters and textures in the background, adding an element of surprise and excitement to the overall piece. Now, you might be wondering, how much does this incredible tool cost? Well, fear not, my friends, for the wonders of technology have made it accessible to all. Today, you can get your hands on an IT projector for as little as a mere $100. Imagine the countless hours of joy and creativity that await you. To join in on the creative adventure, head over to my channel, where you'll find a treasure trove of tutorials. I'll guide you step by step, revealing all the tips and tricks to make your artistic dreams come true. So, let your imagination soar, dive into the world of art, and let the IT projector be your artistic ally on this amazing journey. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, with the power of an IT projector, you have the key to a world of endless possibilities.